If Gmail is showing error code 7, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This issue can happen because of browser glitches, bad cache, cookies, or even extensions that interfere with Gmail loading properly. The good news is that you can often fix it yourself in just a few minutes without changing anything complicated. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's get into it. First, we're going to use Incognito or private mode. Open your browser, click the three dots in the top corner and choose New Incognito window or New Private window, depending on the browser you're using. This opens a clean browsing session without most saved data or active extensions, which makes it a great way to test whether the error is being caused by your normal browser setup. Once the private window opens, go to mail.google.com and sign in to your Gmail account. After you log in, check whether Gmail loads properly. If Gmail works in incognito mode, that's a strong sign the problem is related to cookies, cached files, or extensions in your regular browser. If it still doesn't load, don't worry, we have more fixes to try. Next, let's disable browser extensions. Go back to the browser menu, click the three dots again and open extensions, then choose manage extensions. Here, look for anything that might interfere with Gmail, such as ad blockers, script blockers, privacy tools, or even Gmail related add-ons you installed earlier. Turn off those extensions one by one, or temporarily disable all of them if needed. After that, refresh Gmail and check whether the error is gone. Extensions can sometimes block scripts or page elements that Gmail needs to function, so this step solves the issue more often than people expect. If Gmail starts working after disabling an extension, you've found the cause. You can then leave that extension off or remove it completely. Now, if the problem is still there, the next step is to clear your cache and cookies. This is one of the most effective fixes for browser-related Gmail errors. Open the browser menu again, go to Delete Browsing Data, and make sure you select cookies and cached images and files. Then click Clear. Depending on your browser, you may also see options for browsing history, but for this fix, the most important ones are cookies and cache. Once the data is cleared, close the browser completely and reopen Gmail in a fresh tab. Sign in again and see if the error code 7 is gone. Clearing cached data forces your browser to reload Gmail from scratch instead of using old or corrupted files, which often resolves loading problems. If Gmail opens normally after that, then the issue was most likely caused by stored browser data. So to quickly recap, first try Gmail in incognito mode, then disable extensions, and finally clear cache and cookies. One of these steps usually fixes Gmail error code 7 and gets your inbox working again. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.